This is the dance tutorial for Body by Megan Stanley. So if you want to see the dance choreo, move to the end of the tutorial, or you can just see on the DABC Instagram page. Hi, I'm Arihant, and let's start with the tutorial. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. So feel free to pause it at any minute or mirror the video to catch on. So this choreo is open style and it's pretty small. It's only of 30 seconds. So let's move to the first one. So this is our normal position. From here we take our left hand and put it to the right, with our right leg moving a bit towards the right as well, and we are kneeling that. So we go one, and then we go into a little bit of squat, and then turn. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2. At 2, our left hand is in the front, our right leg is facing forwards, and our left leg is a bit tilted. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2. Now we lift our hands upwards with our left leg, and when it goes down, we open both our knees outwards. So it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Once more. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4, our hand movement is right, left, right. And our leg will be, from here we go right. Now we are at normal position. Then we have left. At the third right, when we put our hands down, our knees come inwards. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay? From the starting, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. At this position, we have to take our right hand, make a circle and stop it over here. And, okay, let's do this. So from here we go 1 and 2. Yeah. So at this position, our leg would be, we lift our right leg and place it at the back, making a whole turn. So it goes, from here we go 1 and 2. Our left hand is open now. Okay. So we ended 1, 2, 3. Now we go 1 and 2. And now the steps will be, we have to move right, we have to like step on the right leg and then come back. Okay, so हमने यहाँ खत्म किया, ये इधर से भी go 1, 2. Okay, the hand movement will be यहाँ है. Now we have to clap from our right hand, so clap and 2. Okay, so when we step on our left leg again, it goes 1, clap, and now when we are at normal, our right hand is towards our left shoulder. Okay, so from here we did 1, 2, 3. Now this is 1 and 2, and now we go 1 and 2. Okay, this is a bit fast, so it's when you do it, it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, from here, right hand is going like this, and our left hand is going like, assume that you have a cake, like we are flicking a cake. So it goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, and our body is going from here to a bit to the left. Okay, so we ended here, and it goes 1 and 2. And our legs are going, we ended over here, so 1 and 2. Again our knees are coming inwards. So it goes here, 1 and 2. Okay, from the beginning, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, 2. I forgot. Okay, so from here we have to switch our legs. So our left leg will go on the place of right leg and the right leg will go forward. So it goes 1, 2. Okay. From here we go 1, 2. After 2, like as soon as we finish 2, our body will come in a slight wavy motion. Okay. So here 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Small waves in the body. Okay. And our hands will be from here 1, 2 normal, and then when we start the wave, our hands are stiff in the front. 1, 2. After 2, our left leg is coming. We are sliding a bit backwards. 1. Okay. So we did this. After this, we have 1, 2. The hands in the front. So it goes 1, 2. When our leg is sliding, we have to like rotate our hands upwards. So it goes. We did this. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and after 1, we hit our hands like this. 1, and our left leg will be up. Okay. So it is. We did this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay. After this, okay. Let me tell you from the turn. We did here from here. Okay. We go 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when we end here, we have to step like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 steps. In these 4 steps, our 1 and 2 is fast and 3 and 4 is slow. So we do 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and our body is tilting left, right. When we put our left leg downwards, our body is tilting towards the left. When we put our right leg downwards, our body is tilting towards the right. Okay, so from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4. With the speed it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hands. So with this our hand, when we put our left leg down, our right hand goes in a scoop motion, like we are lifting a weight or we are doing some scoop. Okay. Similarly, when we put a right leg downwards, we are taking a scoop from our left side. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2. We are trying to do the third step, but in the third we do the scoop, and instead of putting the right leg at the left leg at the normal position, we put it a bit outside. So it is when we enter this step 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3. Did you get it? Okay. Let me tell it once more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now from here, the steps are pretty easy. From here we go 1, 2. See, right. We are tilting towards the right with the right hand outside. From here, we are taking our left leg and putting it like this. So 1, 2, and now we are going to normal position, rotating our right hand and touching with the left knee. Okay, so we did 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Then from here we have to do a. So from here in the lyrics it goes a. We flick our right hand, tilt towards the left. A. Similarly in the left side, we tilt towards the right, put our left hand, flick our left hand. So it goes a, and then in the front we have like doing a slide body roll. Okay, from here, when our body roll ends, our leg movement is 1, and 2. Okay, from the start, from the top, once, one bounce. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. Okay, so from here we take our left leg and put it in the front and at 90 degree. Okay, so from here we do 1. When we put our leg here, our hands go out in an anti-clockwise circle. So it goes 1, 2, then 3, and when they come back, our hands are like this, and we go in a squat and our like arc our back. Okay, see from the front it will look like 1, 2. Now the steps will be left, right, left. Okay, we are putting our knees inside. So it will be the side work, so it will look like we did this and we did 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after 3 we are moving a bit to the front, sliding our leg, right leg, which is behind, a bit towards the front, and stop. So it goes, let me do from here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, from 4 we have small steps, like we have to, हमारा leg ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं निकल रहा है. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, with the right leg first, थोड़ा सा बाहर, अंदर, थोड़ा सा बाहर, अंदर, हल्का सा. Okay, this is very fast. So we stopped over here. इधर से our hand movement is 1 to the chest, inside, then 2 open, inside, then 3, like from the back of our head it goes 3 and a slide. Okay, so we did, इधर से we did 1, 2, 3, थोड़ा सा slide, stop, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. Okay, it's not actually stop here, we do this and 1, 2, like flick our wrists, 1, 2. Okay, so we are going from here. We do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, then we go. Now the steps, there are only 2 steps left now. Okay, so our leg movement is left to the front, then left to the back, and left to the front. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3. In our body weight will be towards the right for the first 2 steps, and for the third step our body will move forward a bit. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, and hand movement is left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder. We are like hitting the shoulders. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it goes. We did the last step once more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and from here we go squat up, left leg up, and with the hands up, put it down, and our hands come down. From here we tilt our body inside a bit, like and count. It's not an actual count, so it goes and then we do a turn. Okay, make sure to keep your knees, keep your foot pointed. Okay, so once more we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. From here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and third. Okay, so this completes the tutorial. If you have any doubts, feel free to DM me. We'll do once more in small counts, and then I'll append the full choreo part. Okay, on counts, first we will do slow counts. Okay, the full choreo on slow counts. It goes 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and stop. 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, and okay, so moving on to the full choreo.